Welcome to my channel. My name is Jenny and we're going to check out the top things to do in Baler.
Awesome. It looks awesome outside.
Enjoy the scenic view at Ermita Hill.
What happened? Was it like a volcano?
Tsunami. That's why there's that little wave thing.
Oh, yeah.
In 1735, there was a tsunami that wiped out the whole population of Baler, and there were only 7 families that escaped, and they escaped by climbing up this hill.
You see the white there, the white boardwalk? That's where your hotel is at the end.
Walk across the hanging bridge. Hike to the beautiful view at Dicasalarin Cove. Beach hopping. Check out a more detailed beach hopping video on the link down below. Check out the 3 main waterfalls in Baler. Kuba Bistro has the best tasting pizza in Baler.
They should have just called it a delicious.
Best coffee shop in Baler.
We're in Charlie Does. Charlie Does what?
Charlie does serve.
Cool place. Although it's expensive here. But they say it's the best coffee. With ice too.
Despite the overcast weather, it's actually nice and warm. It's perfect for swimming. I'm curious to see what the water is like.
Sabang Beach is the best surfing spot for beginners.
I had to clean my board.
Parang smooth, right? Yung ano?
Because if there's no wax, it's smooth like this. So when you pop up, you're just going to slide off. So it helps you stand and stick to the board.
What can you say mga first time tips?
Just enjoy.
That's it.
The waves.
Yeah, tip for us beginners.
Enjoy. Have fun.
Ayun na rin. Cover your eyes. Paano mag-balance?
Just find your middle.
Middle ground. Words of encouragement.
Do it!
Natanda ko na yung board siya. First time. He knows nothing about this place.
Alex turned us around. He taught us how to surf.
Yeah, that's right.
We have to do this again.
Yeah. Two-step process, and just don't fall. You know, it's easy.